Alright, gang, we're back for another video. It's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang. Make sure you like and subscribe. Alright, gang. Alright, gang. So back for another video. We're gonna be breaking down gold. What it did for today. GPUSD, obviously, we'll break down a little bit of Aussie and Euro USD. And we'll explain why I predicted or believed that price was heading in that direction. So I believe price was for gold. I believe price was heading down. I told you price went right to our A level. You see, we got A, B, C, D at our key levels right here. D is at our key level. C is our key level. B, we have our B is our key level right here, and A, we have our key level. So price will go to these key levels or these points on the trend line. They'll go to these points A to B to C to D. Price did go from A to B. Okay, it did go from A to B. Price, is heading down. For the day, it was heading down for the day. Then buyers want to pushing price back up. But it did go all the way down to B. It did head down. It did head all the way down to B. Let's check the weekly real fast before we really break this down. For the week, you can see it's still going up for the week. Still going up for the week. But it is retracing. It did bounce. It did bounce off this A level. Or this 1830 level right here. This 1830 level. It did bounce off this 1830 level. It started wicking back down. For the day. But overall for the week, it's still bullish. It's still going up. Buyers are still in control for the day. So we don't really know yet what price wants to do. To be honest, we don't really know. Price can literally head back up. Right now it's at 1821. It went all the way down to 1812, past our 1815 level, past B, went past B all the way down to 12. I thought it was going to go to C, but obviously price didn't go to C. It rejected off of B and headed back up to A. Let's break that down more. So it was going down for the day, as you can see. Price was going down for the day. You can see on the 4-hour more clear. Almost bounced off this trend line. On the 4-hour, you can see price almost bounced off this trend line, letting us know that, okay, price was in a downtrend. You can see it was in a downtrend and shot all the way down here to 1812. Now right here for this 4-hour, green candlestick, buyers are in control, potentially pushing price back up to A. But it's really like consolidation right now. This is kind of like literally kind of like consolidating right now. It's not really like going anywhere. It's kind of like 3:33 p.m. right now. So it's kind of like consolidating, but it's consolidating up. It is pushing up. Um, as you see this candlestick right here, shows that buyers push price always back up. So it did go all the way to B, almost bounced off this trend line before heading back up. But I believe price is still heading back down. I believe price will head back down to B. And C, I believe price will head back down to C and potentially D. It's just a matter of when. I believe maybe next week or tomorrow. We should see before the end of the week is up, we should see price head back down to like the B at least. I would like to see that. But we'll just play it. We'll just see what the market wants to do, and we'll adjust to what the market wants to do. Obviously, so obviously we have to find an overall trend. Overall, like I said, for the week, it's still going up. Overall, we're still in an uptrend. As you can see, the candles are still above this uptrend. We thought we were going to see a break below this trend line, letting us know this trend line, this uptrend is no longer valid. but we never seen that. We never seen that. Even though prices, pushing down for the day, and pushing up, we seen price push down for the day, but we didn't see it close below this level. So we would like to see price head back down here for by the end of the week, by this week, by end of this week, like tomorrow, to head down to 1815. But we'll have to adjust. Like I said, overall trend is uptrend. You can see candles are above on a 4 hour, on a higher time frame, 4 hour, a higher time frame. So this is the overall time frame. Price is still heading up. You can see that on the daily too. Even though price is heading down for the day, the last 1, 2, 3, 4 days, price was heading up. So overall, candles are still above this trend line too. So overall, price is still heading up. True on a weekly, you can see that true on a weekly too. You see on the weekly, price is still heading up, even though it's rejecting back down right now. For the day, it rejected off this 1830 level, got literally almost right to it, 1828, before rejecting back down. Overall, again, how you see on the weekly, I'll show you again on the weekly. This is the week right here that we're in. Price is heading up. Price is still heading up. On a daily, the last 4 days, price is heading up. So overall, candlesticks are still above. Once we get a break below this trend line, then obviously candles, uh, we're now in a downtrend, and we're looking for sales. So price did reject off this key level. That's why I made that 4,000. I made that 4,000 in this trade because I seen price was rejecting off, was going to go to this level. I predicted price was going to go to this level, this 1830 level, and I didn't see that price was going to close above this 1830 level, heading up to 1835. 1840 would be our next key level. 1835 would be our mid level, and then 1840 1845 will be our next level, but we didn't see that. We never seen a closure above. We would have need a close above on his daily candlestick, a strong close above on a daily candlestick, to let us know, that price wants to continue heading up in this uptrend. But we didn't see that. We seen a rejection right here. It started rejecting, started waking back down, and it shot back down for the day, and that's when I made that 4,734 for the day, for a sell for $4. Let's just go down to let me see, like price is still heading up, you know what I'm saying, still in an uptrend. um uh let's see, if we were to go down to the 2 hour, you can see that too. You can see price is still in the uptrend on the 2 hour. So we would just scale down after we get the overall confirmation. We would scale down to see more structure, see what price is really doing. It's making it's still making higher highs and higher lows. Went all the way down here to B and pushes. Now it's making a higher high. And we're going to see price close somewhere. It hasn't closed yet. Still, it's 3:39. Market doesn't close until 5:30. 5 o'clock. So we're going to see where the market closes at. We don't know where it can close at. It can close back at B, or it can go to A. It can go back to A. But we don't know. It can definitely get up here fast. Before 5 o'clock, or it can push back down. It can push back down to B. And we don't know what the market wants to do. The market can do anything. Me, I'm really out of this trade right now because I made a good amount of money for the day. So you would just get out of the trade after you made that. Hit your take profit from here to here, from A to B. You would get out. You would literally get out. What is this, on a 1 hour? Yeah, you would get out from A to B, or you could have, once price hits this B level, price is going to retest, and I'll explain that more in part 2. All right, gang? All right, so it's your boy Nature, aka Nature. Gang.